சூப்பர். ஏய் ஒன்றுமே வரலடா, இல்லை ஸ்பெல்லிங் வரலடா. ஏன் மடிச்சா அப்படியே பின் பண்ணிடா. மடிச்சு பின் அந்த துணியை மடிக்க முடியலையா? துணியை மடிச்சு அப்படியே பின் பண்ண முடியல. துணியை மாட்டுறா.
தமிழ்தாய் வாழ்த்து. To be on the stage, Mr. C.S. Ganesan, Shivakumar, Mr. Muralidharan, founder and trustee, Sevalaya, Mr. Jagannathan, NDSO. Kids. Everybody, this is the third edition of Gold Winner Shiv Prakash Trophy. Divasati for us long time back when we were playing cricket. Actually, it all happened in the year of 2009 with the help of all team members and family members, those who made it possible. Actually, we thought of conducting this tournament during from our playing days. It was not possible. But we thought we should do this tournament in remembrance of people, those who taught us cricket, those who helped us playing cricket, to whom we made to know many things in life. So we thought of honoring them by way of cricket. It's our passion all over the years. We thought we can help the public through cricket. So we selected cricket, the modem, to help people, to get along with people, to help the people. So we would like to thank each and every member of all cricketing teams, those who have participated in all 3 years of tournaments, those who made it possible for completing this 3rd edition of Shiva Prakash Trophy successfully. Thank you team members from all teams. Actually, we started off this tournament with 32 teams per tournament. Actually, we finished this year by conducting only 16 teams. The reason for conducting this tournament to make it cricket a disciplined one, a honored one, cricket is being the important game of India, we thought it should be played in such a way so that everybody should follow it. We were not able to deliver the quality cricket with very good discipline. So we made it to 16 teams this year. So we want teams to participate in a healthy way so that we should increase the number of teams